Today, I will show you how to delete automation in FL Studio. Start by making sure you have your project open. For example, let's say you open the mixer panel and create an automation clip for the volume slider. You then adjust the automation clip to certain values. Now, if you change your mind and want to delete it, the easiest way is to right-click on the automation clip in the timeline. It will delete itself. If you play the audio and look at the mixer panel, you will see that the volume slider is no longer automated. In some older versions of FL Studio, or depending on your settings, the automation may still be active even after deleting the clip. In that case, go to the browser panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Current Project drop-down menu, then open Initialized Controls. Inside here, you will see all the automation clips you have created, even the ones you already removed from the timeline. Simply select the automation you want to delete, right-click on it, and choose Delete Event. That is how you delete automation in FL Studio.